Laying of wreaths with the fallen Biafran soldiers, led by Chief
otherwise, every state on God, so while forward march. Okay. I'm going to get step I work because I'm getting them from here. So only they can check it on the side from
Be careful.
So, the Igbo elders who were Biafran soldiers, veterans of the Biafran Nigerian War, Nabia, Ile at the tomb of the unknown soldier, the unknown Biafran soldier. Onye no hani chinedu ha chief uche eze menare akaniru oga onye na eso na aso chief Victor Amechi ana mahukwa Chief Paul Okoro another Biafran veteran, and Saraf Usuji, another veteran. And then Sayejo Biako, another elder, another Biafran soldier, Nokwanga. So now that these are Biafran elder soldiers who are example to what has happened in the Biafran War, as you can see, this is the cenotaph of the unknown Biafran soldier. As we said at the beginning, the Biafran soldiers do not end with all those Biafrans, the soldiers that died in the war front. We have our soldiers that died of hunger, our martyrs of the war who died of starvation, of lack of medication, those who died of untold diseases, women that were decapitated by shrapnels from bombs, children that were sent to the early graves, the elders that were facelessly killed. My brothers and sisters Igbos, here we are today to honor all of our own, all the Igbos who have given their lives for the best and for the better of the Igbo nation, for the progress of the Igbo nation, for the growth of the Igbo nation. Today, we honor all of them as we lay this wreath solemnly in honor of all fallen Igbo heroes. The wreath now. And Chief Okoro, the wreath. on the other side. Now, sir, Ethiopia come. Where's Rogaha? Sarah Musuji is coming on now. Now, presidents of the Igbo State Associations, I can see Remmbrance State coming in. Chief Chris Makobi, Honorable Zomnea is coming behind them. President Ndenu Goleba, Ebonyi State, I can see the president of Ebonyi State. Ebonyi State has just laid their wreath. Enugu State, Abia State, I didn't have their wreath. Yes, Abia State is coming in with the wreath. Okay, Abia State just laid their wreaths, and the Enugu State is coming behind them, led by their former president, Engineer Abia State was led by Honorable Chief Steve Akwarando. And the Enugu State is coming now. Should they do it again? Okay. No one. Cha, Ibo makan. Ibo pen. Ibo one. Okay. Well, can you okay.